Oh God, it did it again.
Hey Hillary, why the sad face?
My computer has a virus again. I will lose all my data again. Oh God, I will be in serious trouble.
They call me Napoleon for nothing. I will call the cavalry. Okay, call this number, 1-800-987-5471. Just call them and get it fixed, and don't worry, they are certified technicians and they guarantee a resolution.
Yes. Oh Napoleon darling, thank you so much. You are a lifesaver. Let me take you out for dinner tonight.
Well, I am on a busy schedule. I have to take over the world. Anyway, you can visit them at www.247fixers.com and even call them at 1-800-987-5471 for all computer and peripheral support. Bye for now, I have war to attend.
Oh, thank you very much.